I'm John Kautz. I'm one of the salespeople here at OHI, and I'm here to facilitate your experience here with our designers and getting your remodeling project done quickly and you're happy with their final result. I'm one of 6 sons that have been in the flooring business here in the northwest suburbs for almost 80 years. Grandfather, great-grandfather were also in the business, and now I'm in the business with my brother, nieces, and nephews here in Elk Grove. As kids, we were all installers to begin with. My father started us all in the installation. As we got older and it was harder to be an installer, we all kind of migrated into sales and kind of fell in love with it. So you'll be seeing me in your home a lot, first from that first meeting in your home, and you'll find out that we're going to talk very little about your project. I'll be asking you about restaurants you go to, where your kids go to school, what's the name of the dog. After we get done talking, after 3 hours, I'm kidding, we'll then get into your project. You'll meet your designer. I'll be at those meetings as well to ask the questions maybe you're afraid to ask the designer, but you'll find out after about 10 minutes with us. We're very, very casual. We don't want this to be an intimidating experience. We just want you to be comfortable and be happy with the projects once it's done. Love dealing with people. I know that sounds hokey, but that's my thing. I love my interaction with people. I love trying to get them the best result they can for the money they're spending. We are really more invested in the client. I think honesty is a big thing. I really want to get to know you well. I want to make sure that what we're going to do for you is what you want. I don't want to give you something that just looks like it's out of a magazine. I want to give you something that's really going to fit your family and your needs. So our thing is, we really want to get you out of your comfort zone. You may think this is what you want because that's what you've seen somewhere or your friends have it. It may not be right for you, and with the kids and with pets, we want to get the right thing that's going to work in your kitchen or bathroom. I think you really need to have the trust in the company you're going to choose. OHI is built on trust. We're a family business and has been here for over 80 years. Do your due diligence, take a look at other people, but I think when you do, you're going to come back to us.